think sometimes we learn more from companies that were not our own area of practice or expertise. I went to a company that makes dental equipment. I mean, I work for a steel company, and I'm going to, people who make small, delicate dental equipment, and I learned more about visual control from them. I also went to the Cancer Institute of America north of Chicago, and from them I learned about the passion of A3s. And A3s are a form of really a planning structure around problem solving. And so I learned more from them, and it was a tool that I was interested in learning about and focusing on. It wasn't about the work that I did or the product that I made. Hallmarks of a great presentation. Well, particularly in Dallas, it'll talk about, what are some of the turning points in your company? Like, what made you shift in your journey? So that'll be one. And then it's, what's one practical idea that people can take away from that workshop and take back to their own site that they can implement themselves? Probably I'd give those two. And then, of course, enthusiastic people who love what they're doing always helps. So in coming to the conference, a way to learn something and take it back is, what's that one practical idea? So you start putting all those together and say, how can I do that at home? For example, and I'll use one in our company, we took the idea of a lean internship or continuous improvement internship, and we took that idea back, developed it, certainly ESCOized it a little bit. I work for a company called ESCO. And we said, so how can we make that work in our company? Added a few little changes to it, and we've implemented it in our organization. I would say for people to get the most out of the conference would be, even if they attend either the workshops or the presentations or the tours, because there are tours available as well, that they attend in pairs. In at least pairs, because then you've got someone to come back to and say, now what did you hear? What did you hear? How did that work for you? What did it look like for you? So that they have an idea to, they have got a partner to do their thinking with. So I really think that makes a huge difference. Secondly, I'd say if people went in with goals, like what do they want to learn there? Well, if it's either one best idea they want to take away, or let's say, for example, they're working with visual controls. They want to go and say, what 3 things there can I take and implement at my company at home? That's the way to come to the conference, to have some focus and some goals, and you can walk away being able to, have a partner to work with and then someone to implement it back home.